Unveiling the building blocks of our bones. Bone cells explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that bridges biology and language. Bone cells. Whether you're a budding biologist, a curious language learner, or both, understanding this phrase is crucial. So, let's dive into the microscopic world of our bodies and uncover the meaning and significance of bone cells. In the human body, bones are more than just the rigid structures that support our form. They are dynamic, living tissues. The term, bone cells, refers to the specialized cells that create and maintain bone tissue. There are mainly 3 types of bone cells, each with a unique and vital role. 1. Osteoblasts. These are the builders. They produce new bone material and are crucial during growth or healing from injuries. 2. Osteocytes. The communicators. Mature osteoblasts become osteocytes, which maintain the bone tissue and regulate the mineral content. 3. Osteoclasts. The demolition crew. These cells break down old or damaged bone, making way for new growth and maintenance. Now, why is understanding bone cells important? Well, they're not just important for biologists. They're crucial for our health. They play an essential role in growth. They help our bones grow in size and density during childhood and adolescence. Repair. They mend our bones when they are injured. Strength. They continually renew our bones, keeping them strong and functional. But beyond the biology, knowing these terms enriches your English vocabulary, particularly if you're interested in health, medicine, or science fields. Learning scientific terms like bone cells is a great example of how English can open doors to understanding complex ideas. Scientific language is precise, and each word carries specific meaning. By breaking down the phrase, bone, hard, dense connective tissue forming the skeleton, cells, the smallest structural unit of living matter capable of functioning independently. You're not only learning language, you're learning about life. We hope this exploration of bone cells has been as enlightening for you as it has been for us. Remember, each word you learn is a step towards a deeper understanding of the world and the vast English language. Keep curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, take care and happy learning.